the channel Plata's Lab. Today I'm gonna make beef sticks that I made before. They're kind of Slim Jims that taste really good. My kids love them. I love them. It's a good snack. I'm using 30 pounds of ground beef and spices. I already pre-mixed my spices earlier, but what goes into my spice jar is nitrate salt, garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, soy sauce, water, spices for meat, and sugar. I also added onion powder because I ran out of garlic powder. Sorry, but it still will taste really, really good. So let me prepare my meat and mix it with my spices. This is the huge pot of 30 pounds beef that I need to go through. While I'm putting meat in the pot, let me put my water and soy sauce in the pot. Hopefully it will help to defrost meat faster. So all my meat is in the pot. It's time to put spices. I gotta do it in sections because that's a lot of meat. I cannot just mix it all at once, all together. So I'll put it in a smaller pot and put the spices, and we'll do it by sections just like that. Once I mix the meat with the spices, it's time to put it in the gun and put it on the tray. Last time I used my KitchenAid to do the beef sticks. I call them Slim Jims. Doesn't matter. This time I bought the gun to make beef sticks. So we'll try it. See how it works. Is it worth it to spend money on the gun? I hope I got all the air out because I didn't use the gun before. I never used it. So, I don't know. I cannot put it on. Here we go. So today I use this nozzle. Let's go. Let's see how it goes. I actually like that. Looks really good. Looks really nice. hand is shaking a little bit because I'm not used to it. Cover the whole tray, and it's a little bit left inside. So let's make other trays and put it on. So we made all 10 trays of big sticks, and now we can turn it on and see how it goes. Well, I have a lot more to go through, but that's batch number 1. Stay tuned. So we are done 1 batch of beef sticks. Look how gorgeous they are. Here is some meat. I put another batch in the dehydrator, and it took me 7 hours for 1 batch, and it's juicy. It has enough of spices and just so yummy snacks. Tomorrow I will be putting it in Milo bags so we can save it and put it on the shelf. I used curing salt for this time to put them on the shelf and not to use the fridge. But best snack you can make yourself out of meat. So the second batch, I decided to do the round ones. Let's see how it turns out. It goes really smooth. My hand is sore from yesterday to make so many. But it gets out very good. I am very happy with this purchase. And last time I put it from the front, you can reload it from the back. I open it up, release this part, oops, and then put the meat in. Take a little bit off. Close it. Then continue. They look pretty nice. I think they will take longer to dehydrate because it's more meat than in these strips. But we will see. Right now is almost 9 in the morning. We'll check in 7 hours and see how it's going. So it's time for packing. While I put one batch, the first batch, in the miler's bag, I noticed that these bags don't work with you cannot vacuum them, so it took me a while to do the vacuuming, but I sealed them just to prevent it from opening and to store it longer. So instead I will be using regular seal bag and seal it. I put it in 1/2 pound. Second batch is really nice. I like it. So let's pack it. So these bags are 1 pound each, and we will put deoxidizer, just to be safe, in each of them. And now it's time to vacuum seal. One is good to go. Ciao. Thanks for watching.